Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to install the PDF Maker add-on in your Zoho CRM step by step. So before connecting your Zoho CRM, you will have to go to our article which we have already prepared on how to install the PDF Maker add-on inside Zoho CRM. So you have to use the links from here based on the country you are from. So if you are from US, just use this particular link to install this add-on. Since I'm in India, I'm using this link and you will be asked to sign in. So if you don't have any account with Zoho CRM, first create an account and then sign in. Since I've already created an account in Zoho CRM, I'll just sign in right away. And now we've been asked to confirm this installation. Just click onto the check boxes and click continue. Select your desired settings and click confirm. So the installation is completed and we have successfully installed this add-on. After installing this add-on, you can go to your PDF Maker dashboard and now you can click on to connect to Zoho CRM. And again, you can click on sign in using Gmail. So now you have been asked to accept if PDF Maker can access your Zoho account. Click accept. And again, if you go back to your connected accounts, you will be able to see the Zoho CRM account has been connected successfully. So this is how you can install the PDF Maker add-on in Zoho CRM. And regarding creating a deal and automating your PDF through that deal, we'll be walking you through this entire process in another video. So stay tuned to watch out for that video. Thanks a lot.